Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. Friends and traders around the world, my name is Jeff Goodwin from Forex Trading for Beginners. Today I'm very fortunate to be with a fellow trader, Sudhakar. Welcome.
Yeah, thanks, Jeff. Yeah.
Welcome. Sudhakar's originally from India, now as a scientist working and living in South Africa. And he's turned to trading because he wanted better quality of life for him and his family. Is that about correct, Sudhakar?
Yes, correct, Jeff.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just
want to make sure. Yeah, pharmacist. Yeah, well-educated man, you know. So yeah. Recently we've been sharing some strategies and a way of not getting in as a way of potentially saving trades. And how has that been working for you?
Yeah, it is working very nice, Jeff. Today also I saved 2 trades. Previously I used to take like with just alert, I don't care about anything. But now, like drawdown is 100%, I'm just trying to eliminate the drawdown.
Yes, so well done you. Now, I'm going to show you something that might change how you think. It may not, but it may. I'm going to ask everybody at home who's looking at this on the phone, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, wherever it may be, on LinkedIn, but whoever's watching it, I'm going to ask you some questions.
Sure.
And I want you to also think of other people, what they would say. Does that sound fair enough?
Yes, enough, yeah.
I'm then going to ask you, what impact would this have on your trading? Ready?
Yes.
Yeah, here we go. It's exciting. So, ladies and gentlemen, what you see here is a typical strategy. It's just a simple Bollinger Band. And here we've got a TDI and an RSI. It's not quite a fancy RSI, but from what you've seen and what you've traded, is this quite standard? Or for some people, is it reasonably standard? There are some nice parts in it, yes, but is.
Yes, Jeff, yeah.
So the question I'm actually going to put to you, I'm going to show you another chart, okay? I'm going to show you another chart in a minute. I'm just going to ask you if you'd prefer to look at this, or would you prefer to look at this? What would be easier to trade?
Yeah, what is this? First time I'm saying, Jeff, yeah.
So would you, this is obviously a buy, this is red. Would you prefer, is this easier to look at, or is this easier to look at?
Yeah, that one is easy, Jeff.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which one, this one or the other one?
No, other one is easy.
Yes. Now, give me a minute. I'm just trying to find something. I'll put it up here. So that's a 15-minute. That's a 15-minute. Now, let's imagine you had this on the 1 hour time frame. We'll do with these here in a minute. We'll do with these here. Sorry. What about that? What do you think is happening here? Normal candles, apparently. Do you think you could easily profit out of that here?
Yes.
Just based on that, and just based on that, you could read the numbers. What impact would that have on your trading?
Yeah, so we can stay long term with the help of this one, Jeff.
Yes. Now, this is obviously the consolidation area. You can see that. Yeah. Then again, what impact would that have on your trading?
Yeah, it is like it's very good impact because it will give more pips. It's looking like that way.
Yes. and staying in longer, trading. It's basically trend trading. Now, what I'm going to put on here to make it easier, I'm going to put on something. It's a volume-based indicator. Yeah. And what this is, one you've never seen before. And what this does, this is telling us when it's time to enter based on the volume in the market and when to potentially exit. But all we do is we trade the trend. If this says down on the 1 hour of a smaller time frame, we can stay in the trade. Yeah. Now, again, consolidation, we understand that. We understand what that looks like. But you can see that it goes flat. It goes flat. It's not really doing, yeah, there's something happening there, not much, but you can see it's going flat. Nothing, look at the angle of that. Now, do you remember from the crazy wick entry strategy? Don't name the name of it. We talk about a 45-degree angle. Yeah?
Yeah.
Look at that there. So the next thing I'm going to test out is that unique crazy wick entry strategy with this, but not today. So, what do you think so far?
Yeah, it's nice, Jeff. Another one, yeah.
Yes. Now, this is all about trading with the trend. That's the whole purpose. The aim is to make it easier to stay in the trade. The purpose is to make more pips. Are you there, Sudhakar?
Yes, yes, Jeff. Yeah.
Now, what I've done is I've added, well, I can't even show you, I have to click something away. I've added that volume-based indicator. And what this does, this tells me when there's significant amount of volume in the market on the 1 hour time frame. So if you see consolidation, you know what we do with consolidation. We draw a box. Once you see it, it's coming up and down, it's staying in there, we can just draw a box and wait for it to pop out. Potentially you could get in there.
So basically on the cloud, no trade.
Well, I'll do this. We're looking for a sell. We're looking for to drop below here. Now it did drop below there, but you see here that the cloud is still green. Do you see that? It's still green.
Yeah.
Wait for it to go red. There's a tiny little bit there, but at the end of the day, let's be honest, that's going to happen. But what we're looking for is this. And when you see this, what you do is this. You mark the time. It's a 1 hour, you can maybe even do it a 4 hour even. You mark that there, and then you would enter the next candle. So you wait the full hour, okay? You with me?
Yes, yes, Jeff.
So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark that there as an entry. I notice it's the time is the 10th of June. It's 0200. Now that's Thailand time. For you, that's much better. Yeah? So I'm going to go the 10th of June at 0200. This is powerful. This is powerful. So I'm going to go the 10th of June. No, it's back a month. 02. Oh, we'll get one closer today. There. Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm now going to go here. I'm going to go down to the one. Let's try the 1 minute time frame. I know that sounds really crazy, the 1 minute time frame, but let me just do this again. I apologize. I made an error there. That there. I'm now going to go down on this one, on the 1 minute time frame, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, press auto. The last available bar. So what I do is I have to cheat the system. I have to cheat the system.
Yeah, I
So
think
I'm
only
going to
going
go to, let's make
after
it,
27th. They're
yes,
given
let's,
after 27th, Jeff.
yeah, let's try a 3-minute bar. This is getting in the way. Okay, so on the, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a bar replay. I'm now can go back. I can now test it to that one there. Now it works. Yes. So that was it there on the 3 minutes. I apologize. I want to do this on the 1 minute, don't I? Press auto. Come on. There we go. So you can see on the 1 minute, it's already started. It's already started on the 1 minute. So when we first got it, we actually had an hour. If you were, that's in the base level. Let's see what you could have had. You might say, oh, I've lost out on that there. During that hour, that was possible. It was.
Yeah.
But let's see, we get that there. Okay. So where does the stop loss go? Guess what? It goes above there. How tight is that?
Yeah, it's very tight, Jeff. Only one candle.
Where's our entry?
Yeah, entry is below that one, next to the next candle.
You know the sketch. You've done it. You're passing every day with this. And then we just watch what happens. Let's count.
Yeah, equal to that one, yeah, 630.
And we look for the shape of this to change. My God, this is getting scary. This is the J candles. J for Jeff. Watching the shape the whole time. Potentially take partials. Oh my God, this is scary. I didn't realize it was this good. At that point, you might be tempted. Your stop loss, obviously. Why not bring your stop loss down? Leave that there, sorry. From there, put it above there. Or put it above there. If you want to add a PSAR, you could add a PSAR. But let's just put that there. It's what we're almost saying like is, take us out if you want. Please come and take me out. Oh, let's just, should we bring our stop loss down a bit further?
Yeah.
To there. I didn't realize it was as good, actually. Oh, so it's changing shape there. Right now, I would take that all the way down. I would take a shout, celebrate. It went flat. It's probably taking me out there. Okay.
Yes.
165 pips. No stress. And as long as on the 1 hour it's going down, and the 1 minute we just stay in the trade, or see that it's got a pullback there, probably something like that. We take advantage of all of that, and we'll just watch what happens next with this. This is what I've been testing. You still use the crazy work entry strategy rules for entry. So that's consolidation. But basically, we're not in the trade. We're looking for it to choose a trend. Is it going down? Is it going down? Is it going straight? Yeah, but on the 1 hour, it's going down. So at that point there, I would stop. I would find out what it's doing at the 1 hour. Yeah, so let's actually do that. So I know it does change direction for a little while. We're coming down, goes back up again. And look at that. Every one of these candles is 1 hour.
Yeah.
Let's take it to just today, like my time today. I always talk about 0700 hours, but since there was a change of direction there, that's the 6th of July, or 700. So I'll go down to here, 6th of July, 07 yesterday. It's been an uptrend ever since. Yeah. And then go down to the 1 minute. See what I'm doing? The 1 hour down to the 1 minute. Go here, do the exact same. Boom. Go to auto. That's it there. I'm going to delete that. Apologize. We've got that there. You can see what I was testing earlier. That one there. So put your stop loss just below there. Enter. Just above there. Wait for it to break through. Boom. And that's what happens. You cannot make...
Basically, Jeff, basically we will wait for one candle after the cloud changing.
No. What? Yeah, you do that there, and you do the crazy wick agency rules. You just put above that candle.
Yeah.
Below that candle.
Yeah, we can react.
And you do not enter the trade until it's the other side of the line. Just like you've been doing.
Yeah, Jeff's we can react.
Because sometimes you get a bit of consolidation and things like this one, and I'm like really tight, as we've seen, especially on the 1 minute entry, and you get something like 50 pips out of that one. And when it starts going flat, even a little bit like that, exit the trade, even a little bit. Because what that is, actually, that's dropping down into there. You can't actually see it. I've actually hidden the candles. You can't see it. This is the J candles.
Yeah.
J for Jeff. Yeah. So you see it starts coming down, but we're not in the trade. We're waiting for this volume to say there's a big push. And at that point there, let me just check. You can actually see the cross there, where it happens there, actually. The reason why I like this idea of doing this, it just keeps you right. You see it dropping low, boom, into the trade, and away you go. This one's not the biggest win, but it's, again, that point there, you'd have to be careful. When you see any yellow candles, I would exit the trade. I'm going to be honest. It's only a small one. Yeah, but then again, you get this and another nice win indeed. You cannot make this stuff up. Look at that. So what we're doing is we're really looking at as best possible indicator free. We're looking at the volume push. We're looking at this. Well, what we've done is we've a bit like the high Kanashi candles, well, that looks as 2, but for this, it's actually looking at the volume in the market. How is this looking to you?
Yeah, it is very good, Jeff.
Oh, another question. What impact do you think this will have on not just your trading, but other people that, you know,
Yeah, it's like basically, like we have to study 2, 3 years, but you already done everything. So,
Yes,
it's basically just plug and play.
yes. And what this volume cloud's doing is, it's in a way it's like trading like institutions, and we're allowing this to take the fear of the red and the green candle and the spikes, and there's enough there. Once you've got equity in the trade, yeah, it has little dips, but you've got enough there. And then at this point here, when you see even a tiny little dip, you see, so that's going straight. But the moment I see the trend, when we're talking about the degree there, I would be looking to exit because that's actually going down. That's going sideways, slightly up. But slightest little thing, I exit on the 1 minute. But you can always get back in if you wanted for another buy. If it, like there, you can just enter there. Or was it trend change? But what we do is go in the direction of the 1 hour candles. For me, that makes much more sense than risking there, trading, get that there, just to make sure. Do another one. You might not even want to do this, but it's working for you at the moment. So you're basically giving itself one more candle, a really tight stop loss into the trade. Boom. And then you notice that there, that point there goes down, exit the trade. Don't wait, just exit the trade right there. Because profit's there. Once it maybe even there when it starts flatlining 40 pips, I'd be happy with 40 pips. So that's me. I'm going to close. I did promise my someone I would only be 5-10 minutes maximum, so I want to keep it short. I'll let you see what that is, but I put that together from all the years I've been doing this. But it was when I thought about the weekend to strategy, when you put things together, and I've been looking at different forms of trading without indicators. I'm thinking there must be a way using volume, and this is recorded. What would you like to say to anybody that's looking at this, that's really considering getting involved in trading?
Everyone, everyone should try, because this is just plug and play. For my master's, I studied 20 years, but still I'm not getting like, what I want. So, like the Forex is the way forward. So I'm recommending to everyone must try the Forex. And with Jeff, basically this one he is trying, he bought the to group Ninja Matrix and other, these weekend trees, everything. So Jeff is doing research for us. So we just need to go and play. That's it.
Absolutely, have some fun and profit from it. Now, I would actually encourage you, for those people that are watching this at home, perhaps on Sudgahar timeline, perhaps you're watching this. If you want to get involved, speak to Sudgahar, and I'll help you. I'll maybe do a 3-week call for you, or perhaps you're on someone else's timeline on Facebook or watching it on YouTube, or even mine. Get back to the person who gave you this. If you found it through me, contact me. Does that sound fair enough? Sudgahar's become a really good trader now, and he's going places. Now on that, I'm going to say good evening to you. It's my evening, Sudgahar. Okay.
Yeah, it's 6 o'clock here also, Jeff.
Yes. Okay. Yes. You have a lovely evening. Bye for now.
Thanks, Jeff. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay. Bye for now. Cheers. Bye.